Hi guys, it's Dasha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a blueberry mousse, which is gluten-free and vegan. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Before that, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who supported me through my first video. I've received so much positive feedback, and without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. So thank you so much. Now let's get into the video. So this recipe is actually a no-bake recipe, so you won't have to preheat the oven, but you do have to soak up some cashews overnight or for at least 8 hours to soften them. You're gonna do that by taking cashews and putting it into a bowl and filling it up with water to cover up all the cashews. The cashews are gonna work as the creamy texture in your mousse. So it is really important to keep them in the water for at least 8 hours. So we're going to start off by making the base of the cake. Once you gathered up all the ingredients, you're going to add the dates and the coconut shred into a food processor or a blender. What I like to do is soak up my dates in warm water for about 15 minutes ahead of time. What this does is make the dates slightly softer as it brings moisture back into the fruit, but it doesn't change the taste. Coconut shreds and dates. Got a little bit of water in there. That's okay. So it's gonna kind of look like that. Once that is all blended up, you're gonna add the remaining ingredients. So the almonds, the vanilla extract, and the Himalayan salt. Almonds, vanilla, Himalayan salt. Voila. Okay. So I'm just scraping everything off the walls, just in case some things didn't blend good enough. And we'll blend again. So the mixture is gonna kind of look like that. So once that is all blended up, you're gonna take your pan, and what I'm gonna use is some acetate paper to put along the sides. But if you don't have this, that's okay. You can still make this recipe. I've done it many times without this paper and it still turned out perfectly fine. So now we're gonna pour the filling into your pan. And then you're gonna gently press the mixture down. If it sticks, you can wet your spoon and it'll help with the stickiness. So that is what it has to look like. So that's the base, and now we're gonna create the mousse. So once you gather up all your ingredients, you're gonna add everything into a mixer or a food processor and blend it until it is smooth. We're gonna start off with the blueberries. Now the maple syrup. Next, the lemon juice. Coconut milk. now that you've poured the mixture into the pan, you're gonna refrigerate it for 5 hours or overnight. And that is how easy it is to make a vegan mousse. Until tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.